Merhaba arkadaşlar, nasılsınız? Everyone welcome, hoş geldiniz to my channel Culture Caravan. My name is Harry, I come from a Greek island named Crete, Girit, and today I'm going to make a video about Turkey since I am learning Turkish, I am interested in Turkey like I'm interested in the Middle East and other countries of the area, and I've got a request to try and do an English video about Turkey since in Greek probably no one would understand me. So this video is going to be in English about common misconceptions about the country that are usually being heard, and everyone who speaks English or can read the subtitles beneath me will understand. So, first of all, where is Turkey on the map? Turkey is in a unique geographic position, acting as a bridge between Europe and Asia. The country is at the crossroads of the Balkans, the Caucasus, the Middle East, and the Eastern Mediterranean. Most of Turkey is in Asia, on the peninsula of Asia Minor, also known as Anatolia. Turkey is bounded by the Black Sea to the north, Georgia and Armenia to the northeast, Azerbaijan and Iran to the east, Iraq and Syria to the southeast, the Mediterranean and Aegean Seas to the south, west and west, and Greece and Bulgaria to the northwest. Ankara is the capital, where Istanbul is the largest city and seaport. Common misunderstandings about Turkey often involve mislabeling it an Arab country, overestimating its religious conservatism or fearing safety risks. While a majority Muslim nation, Turkey is a secular, diverse country with strong European ties and unique cultural traditions. Let's discuss three usual misconceptions about the country and what is actually truth. First, we have Arab and we have Turkish culture. The first misconception is things like Turkey is an Arab country and there are camels for transport. No, just no, neither of these sentences and similar make sense. Arab people who mostly speak variations of the Arabic language live mainly in Arab countries such as Syria, Iraq, Lebanon, Saudi Arabia, etc. I'm not going to mention every Arab country, which also have huge differences between them and a lot of ethnic minorities. But Turkish people, they are a whole different story. Turkish culture differs a lot from Arab nations. They do not speak Arabic, and while they share some Middle Eastern traditions, they also have roots in Central Asian, Balkan, and European cultures. Turkish nation actually originate from the Turkic peoples family. Turkic peoples are various peoples whose members speak languages belonging to the Turkic family within the Altaic language group. I'll have the spelling of these words and the links in the description. They are historically and linguistically connected with each other. The Turkic people live in Asia with some exceptions, notably in the European part of Turkey and in the Volga region. Their most significant cultural link, aside from history and language, is with Islam. The vast majority of Turkic people are Muslim. Nowadays, people who are classified as Turkic include the Altai, Azerbaijanis, Kazakhs, Kyrgyz, Tatars, Uyghurs, Uzbeks, and Turkish people or Turks. Turkic languages are distributed over a vast area in Eastern Europe and Central and North Asia, ranging with some interruptions from the Balkans to the Great Wall of China and from Central Iran to the Arctic Ocean. Within the Turkic linguistic family, a unique Turkish language has been developed. Modern Turkish is the descendant of Ottoman Turkish and its predecessor, so-called Old Anatolian Turkish, which was introduced into Anatolia by the Seljuk Turks in the late 11th century Common Era. Old Turkish was written in Arabic alphabet. However, after the founding of the Turkish Republic in 1923, the Arabic script was replaced by the Latin alphabet, specifically 1928. Second, what about religion and secularism? Second misconception is that Turkey is sometimes mistaken as uniformly conservative. In reality, it boasts a unique blend of Eastern and Western influences, with coastal areas often most influenced by Western travelers. Turkey consists of Sunni Muslim population majority, but is not a strict Islamic state, or even an Islamic state at all. It is a secular republic where religious observation varies significantly from highly conservative to entirely secular lifestyles. That is a huge discussion, but has to do also with a lot of things surrounding a person's identity, its religious background, its origins, its political preference, but we are not going to stick to that. Just keep in mind, in Turkey, you will find all forms of religious practice and also other religions as well. Some people are Orthodox Christians or Jews, for example. Now, maybe my favorite, Turkish and Greek people. Third misconception, Turkish and Greek people cannot get along because the news are saying so. Okay, now it's time for me to share and close this video with my personal experience from Turkey. In May 2025, I visited Istanbul for the first time. First of all, a common stereotype that is being said is if you want to see the real Turkey, you have to live in Ankara. I haven't been there yet, but let me disagree on that and say that if you want to experience Turkey, Istanbul is your best option. Why? Because there you can see all forms of religious beliefs. People from all over the world, the Eastern and Western influences in just one city, all the ethnic backgrounds of Turkish people in one place, and my personal favorite, a unique hospitality that is everywhere from the first house when entering Istanbul to the last cafe before leaving the country. Turkish people were that much hospitable that me and my friends at the time almost got into a wedding uninvited, or to be specific, just invited. We just happened to pass by a wedding, everyone was dancing and singing, and they made a circle around us, inviting us to dancing. Anyway, we left the place at the time, but the hospitality was always there. Wherever we went, everyone was buying us some tea or coffee, or the staff was free from the waiters that were working at the coffee shops or restaurants. By the way, the food was really great, and there are a lot of options for someone to pick. Shout out to my buddy Jesur, who bought me tea on my first day there. And when people were asking me and my friends where we come from, I was saying Greece, Yunanistan, and almost everyone was hanging me with a huge smile on their face, saying Komshu to me. Almost every few meters there were a really touching scene like that because Komshu actually mean neighbor guys. If I have to put a percentage of the people who were really happy to hear that I am from Greece, maybe even more than 90%. I won't say there weren't a few exceptions, but those were like 2 out of 60 people. I don't know, really few. Many locals were also saying that they love Greece as well. They have visited many Greek islands and they would love to come again as tourists. I won't get into any politics because neither were they. Most of the locals either didn't like Turkish politicians as a whole, or they were too busy with their occupations to be distracted by fanaticism and misleading politicians. But no one, no one was saying anything wrong about Greece. In fact, the opposite, which is very far from what many people outside of Turkey think, that Turkish people have hostile emotions about Greek people. No, no, nothing like that. I was only taking compliments about my country and Turkish people as some of the best people I've ever hung out with. That's the truth. And I want to always be an honest person in my life. Anyway, I don't want the video to take much longer of your life. Φίλες και φίλοι, friends, Arkadas here. I've just had a request to try and do such a video about Turkey, and I thought, since many of you people probably don't speak Greek, it was a chance for me to try an English video for the first time ever on my channel. Let me know what you think about this video on the comments below. Leave a like and hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see another video like this one in the future. And until next time, take care of yourselves, να προσέχετε τους εαυτούς σας και Dinei back. Thank you for passing by my channel and see you next time.